It's okay for that. But hello everybody. For now, I'm just going to do all the fluffy CD things that I had and that I know everything. So for now, I'm just trying to making things that are just going to matter for the world. If not, so okay for that. I just trying to making things that may help. Hey, hello, let's go. Today we are live with our face cam. So that is really crazy one, but I am taking some minutes for you guys. So let's go. Give me only 1 minute. Oh, Sid. Oh, Sid. My video is not going good. Oh, Sid. Why this happen? Is it we are using our this thing? Go to the area webcam. Go to the area webcam and check this is USB and it's working well. Okay, it's working well. But why here not? Why here not? But yeah, it's working well. It's working well, but it's not performing well with our YouTube. Like you can see here, it's lagging. Okay, I can see again. It's not lagging. It's not lagging. It's not lagging anymore. It's not. It's working well. It's working well. You got it. Huh? I got it. Now just give me only 2 minutes. I don't know if it's lag or not. I don't care about now. I need your only minute. Give me one. That's it. Hey, come back. Come back, bros. Come back. Let's go. Hey, now I back. Let's see me, Bobby. Let's see. Here I am. So let's go. It's opening. Yeah, it's open. Now we go. We go. Things that matter. Let's go. Oh, okay. That's good. That's good. Live is good. So now we are in a position that we are just going to make a project which is crazy one. So let's go. Let's go. Open up our file. We are going to build today is a project which is literally amazing thing that most of the people are not going to do, but here I'm just going to teach you that that thing is really working and that thing is really cool. And so let's go. I'm just opening my thing, which is my folder where it is, and here is learning web. And open after that we open this folder which is backend live here, and yeah, this is day 3. So here we can create a folder. Oh yeah, okay. Node.js. Oh my god. Node.js day 3. Day 03. Always use day 03. Why? Because of if you want to make a folder in serial order, you need to write that. Otherwise, all you know that. If you don't know, if you ask me, I can make that all for you. But it's okay for now. I just need to close this tab, and now we are good to go to make our first project. Let's go, buddy. We can make this one. And so open our terminal, and now we need to just make this folder and a Node.js project folder that it is to initialize that folder Node.js. So now we're just going to okay, control C, I don't know, okay. So npm init hyphen y, npm init hyphen y, and then my PC is slow, you know that. So npm we install our npm, and so for now we just make a server.js folder, server.js, and so now we are just going to make this one with the pure backend, pure Node.js, by just using HTTP method, using this module from import YouTube Transcript. So now we need to just install this one also, npm install youtube.env. we are not going to use any env folder, so maybe we can use this. Yeah, we need to use this because our port nobody need to see. So yeah, we are just going to make our project secure and safe. So now we just download npm install youtube transcript. Oh, set, my dear brother, set. What is happening with me? Set. Hey, nobody is watching me. Thank you, boss. Thank you. Otherwise, oh, okay, good job. You were watched, and I don't care about. So let's go. Now we have .env folder here. We just need to make a env folder here. So let's make a env folder .env, and yeah, here we can just make a port process.env port. So we just make a port equals to we can make a 3200, maybe 440. We can make 440. No way. We make an 8080 port, and yeah, that one is good. 8080 port, and yeah, we need to just process.env that port, and so yeah, we are here good to go to make a folder and write our code. So let's set control B, and so let's go with that. And yeah, I just opened for you a single and a good thing for you guys. You can see here now whatever I write. So this is a good one. So let's see this out. For now we are just going to make a server, so we need to use HTTP HTTPS. I want to use HTTPS, not HTTP. I want to use HTTPS. I want to use HTTPS. I don't want HTTP because HTTPS is more secure than HTTP. That it is. So excellent move. Using HTTPS is your Node.js project is a real backend way. It makes your local server secure and production and teaches you how SSL TLS works behind the scenes. It's okay. And so for now, we're just going to make this one step by step using HTTPS in Node.js without Express.js, without using Express.js. So let's go and generate SSL certificate to use it local to local use. You'll need a private key and certificate. Run this command in your project folder. This, and when it asks choose country R, you just do like this, and then CSR update your folder. Now you just need a pam and then cert.pam and then all the things, and after we just need nothing. Yeah, let's do that. I think I'm just going to do that. So run this code in bash terminal. So we have bash terminal, so we need to make and bash terminal, so git bash terminal, and yeah, here we good to go. Control C, and now Control C, Control C, and then Control nothing. Okay. Okay, that's not working. This isn't working. Good to go. It's working now. It's working. Damn. Here we had a key.pam, and also we had another one which is I don't know. So now I need to check that key.pam, and also we need a folder, a file cert.pam and csr.pam. So yeah. Do not ask me again. What up, damn? Okay, let's see this. What shady things are just going to happen with us now. We just see these things with AI. So let's AI see this. Because I wanted to make STDB a server for that. So that one is great. Yeah, CD. Make sure you're inside your project folder. Yeah, we're inside our project folder, which is day 3, no day 3. So for now, we're just at day 3 and e-learning web dev backend live for CD 2025 Node.js day 3, Node.js day 3. So let's go, and we make sure your project folder is this. Yeah. And yeah, we just good to go to generate this files and these files and this files. Let's go. Our country name is if they ask for country name, what we need to do is, yeah, I said already. So what we need to do is just to choose one. Okay, we just check it whatever we need to do. So yeah, key name. Okay, when it asks country name, you can press enter for default. Okay, press enter. When we ask country name, organization, full name, just do nothing. Just enter. Wow, that's a good one. This will create enter for defaults. Okay, add defaults, and yeah, created a cert.pam and the CRR.pam and a lot more things we have now. Oh shit, I just need to don't touch that all. Nothing, we don't need to touch anymore. So let's go. You use HTTPS from I'm not using module.js. But yeah, here we are just going to use module.js, so we need to make this one a type module. Let's go, buddy. We can do that. All things that are just literally needed. Type. Okay, so double quote type, 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 and then type as module. So yeah, here we are good to go to using module from HTTPS. No, HTTP2. What is this? Oh, I don't know. So it's okay for now. Let's do that all. For FS, which means a file system. I don't know that exact full form is a file system or not, or maybe that it is. Okay. FS. If you know, comment me below. Yeah. Import YouTube transcript. Yeah, here we have YouTube transcript. From YouTube transcript, import YouTube transcript from YouTube transcript. Good to go. And we are just going to import another thing, which is .env to use .env. Okay. Oh, config.env. No way. We're just going to use .env from .env. Import .env from .env. Import .env from .env. And so .env.config, why we are using this .env.config, we have a lot more things, .env.pers, and that a lot more things, decrypt and that all. And so we are just calling it the config. Okay, we are just calling it the config, so that we can got all the .env folder things. I don't know whatever time it is, but after that we are just going to learn. And yeah, here we are just going to declare which port we are just going to serve on. So let's go, const port. We are just need to use like this, port equals to .env process.env port .env.port. So let's see this out. Or maybe we're just using this R symbol, and then maybe I just do 1000 port, 3000 port. Let's go. That's good to go. Port. Oh, okay. We need to write port like this. We don't need to like this port. And yeah, here in .env folder we need also use like this port 8000, and so that one is good. And so here also we need to use in a capital letter port port, and whether we are going to just serve on site on 8000 port or 3000 port. I don't know. Said, oh my god. Oh, that's good to go. Oh my god. Sit. I don't know. My face is looking well or not. But yeah, it's good to go. So let's see here. We had a const option keep fs.read file .pem, and then cert fs.read file sync cert.pem, and then what we need to do is create a server options we had, and then a sync function which has had as request and response. If request.method equal to post and a request.url equal to /API/transcript, then let body equals to nothing, and request.on data chunk body plus equal to chunk dot to string, and then request.on and async try function, and then this thing, and then if video is this, then contract is this, and then fs.write file syncs, which is this transcript video.txt, and then txt text, and so write head, which is like this, and write res.end, which is this video id, and transcript dot slice this, and also this and that, all the things. So yeah, here there is a lot more things, but yeah, here I don't know if I'm just copying or just learning. I don't know, just I'm trying to in my mind to understand that all. So it's okay for now. I don't think that if someone watching me for now is thinking like Praveen is just copying, yeah, though I'm copying, nothing matters for me, because of I just wanted to try things, and I just wanted to make things that matter. If I just to make things literally just copying and pasting, I can make fast things. I don't need to waste my time here. I know that if I just copy and paste this all, I know that I got it. But here I'm trying this, how that all things are happening chunk by chunk. I'm just learning them, and it's okay for that. I'm just now trying to learning them. It's okay. Here this is an object, that's why we need to use separate a statement that it is an object. So yeah, here I'm efforting on my mouth and my mind to speak in English, to try it every single damn line with my tiny fingers. So that's all good, nothing matter. And yeah, you cannot declare a key which is same, maybe, I don't know, but yeah, fs dot read sync, yeah, read file sync, read file sync, yeah, fs dot read file sync, sync, read file sync, and then read file sync, which is pem dot csr dot pem, csr dot pm, pem, and then we don't need anything, just we need to maybe use semicolon here, and for now it's good to go. It's good to go. Why they're using here comma, maybe for separate if another data came here, I don't know. It's okay. So now we are going to make our server by using just https equals to https dot create server, https create server, and just we had something options, and also we had something like, okay, we just remove all the clutter here, and we had an option, we had an and what else said, I don't know why this suggesting to me, after just delete them. And then after we had an async function, async arrow function. So let's go to make that async and an arrow function. We had something request and arrest, set rec comma request and response, and just we are making this an arrow function. And now we had something to check this request method, whether now our server is created, but we need to check which port. Means if user wanted to request on some port something called we had let's suppose we had localhost /3000 / if someone wanted to request on my API / transcript root, like this transcript root, so they can see something. Here we are nothing, because I literally now completed that all code of that transcript API. So and I'm also now running our server. So let's go write out the code, and after that we can see here is that working or not. So now we need to just check it. Now just check it. If URL dot, okay, I don't know what of them we need to write here. If request, yeah, if someone requests to our server, so request dot method, yeah, if someone requests means they are making some post request, means of that post request means someone posting something on server, someone going to do something to the server that is called post method, that is called post method. That to talk with server we need to use some methods like post, put, delete, patch, etc. I It's okay for now. But most of the time you are using post and get request always. Most of the time we are using get request and also post request. When we are sending something to the when we are just writing something on a form, or maybe on a maybe we are just logging to any website, just we are just we are just putting all the details, and after that we are just pressing the submit button. What happened behind the scene is just post method is sending to the server, which is crazy, and I think that is one amazing for that. So now we are just checking this is whether post method or not, if someone making post requests or not. We need to write a clear and good backend, so we need to check every single thing, and we need to write here everything, because we are backend developer. I don't know what a front-end developer is going to handle. I just know is they are just going to use my API, so I need to make my API very much good. Otherwise, someone crash. If my backend crash, a lot more losses with it. A lot more things that are just going to happen. So now we need to check this request.method, and then we also need to check and request.url. If someone request with this URL /API transcript maybe I meant, but here okay, yeah, by the transcript maybe I just, but yeah, the transcript is good one. So let's check it out. So let's make it let body equals to an empty string, equals to an empty string. For now it's okay for that. And then we are just, why we are doing this request on, why we are doing this, and data, what is the data is, and why we are using an function chunk, and then we are doing something body plus equals to chunk dot to strings. So what is happening with that? We are just requesting to the server dot on data and chunk. What is the data is? Where the data is? I don't know. I literally don't know why is this using that city things. Why this is using by the server. Hey, why we are using this one? Why? Good question. Okay, let's break this down clearly. What happening here is when a client requires like a post request with JSON for our form data, the data doesn't arrive all at once. It comes in chunks. Node.js handle request in a streaming way, especially in the core HTTP module. So the request object is actually a readable stream. That means we can listen to data fired every time a chunk of data arrives. Okay guys, we got it. Whenever a piece chunk of data from the client, convert it to a string and add it to the variable body. We keep appending until the request ends. Then we handle it like this. Okay. World and end. Hello world. Okay. Set. Okay, for that, I got it. Now we have no more time for now, that's why I'm just doing this fast, but it's okay. I just understood that all, and I'm just trying to. Okay, here the body is we had, and the data is came from. Okay, I understood that. What happened here? We are just passing some data from the front end, and we are just getting here a request, and we are just using that chunk by chunk that data. So yeah, here maybe that all the things are rhyming, but yeah, I just got it. Okay, we just need to use request.on, and then double quit, and then we need to use something called chunk. Chunk is a function. I think chunk is here. That's why it's working here. Chunk, and then we add like this, and then body plus equals to plus equal to chunk dot string, body chunk dot to string. I know that to string, but it's still not working. String, and then this, that is good. So here we have request dot on comma chunk, and then another function body plus equal to chunk dot to string, and then we are just ending with semicolon. That's it. So after that we just making a request dot on when all the requests happen, which is end request. Now an end request is just going to happen here, which is and request, and now we don't need to do like this, and request, and after that an async function, async arrow function, which is like this, and arrow function, and then like this. And so like right now we just need to make a try and catch thing. So now we had a try, and also we had a catch, which is catching the error. Now it's catching an error, and this is something like this, and CLG, which is error colon, and so error comma error. Let's go. That's good to go. Try. I don't know who's messaging me for now. I don't know whatever damn is happening. I know that someone messaging to me. It's like something notification came up to my phone, but I'm not going to check this because of I made it struggle with for if we do that. So for now, const URL, we are just making a const URL and URL. Const URL equals to JSON that first. Just passing body data, which is in the form of JSON. So that's why we need to just parse that data, which is in the form of JSON data. Yeah, that's why we are just parsing that data to see. I forget that the keyword, which is I don't know. Data came from front end in the form of JSON. I don't know. I forget that term. That's okay for now. Const video ID. Const video ID equals to new. Const video ID equals to new URL. I know that someone's saying some HR saying me maybe, and then they are just saying to me, hey Praveen, damn, you're just copying with AI. What of CD you're doing dumping on? Oh, it's okay, sir. I'm dumping on something, getting something, get we. And yeah, I know that It doesn't mean anymore to learning things. So what happening with video ID is whatever URL, whatever body we are get, means of that when we are in the front end, we're just giving a body a data which is only URL. So that's why it's parsing the URL from this and just storing a variable, and then we're just getting that URL, and then what happened is just we are seeing here const video ID equals to new URL. Here we are just making a new URL and then taking that URL and then dot search params, searching the param dot get, and that's that getting v equal to that all the URLs. I know that but silly things are just going to happen with that line, but yeah, I don't know how to express you, but yeah, not video ID. Yeah, we need to check if not that, otherwise someone send it only someone not sending video URL and just saying that, hey, do something here, hey, just give me the subtitle transcript. Unfortunately that button clicks to changing video to video URL to YouTube video URL to transcript. So my server, like my server said, oh, set 404 not found, or maybe something some it shows. So that is bad. Literally we need to send something like, if you haven't then just right here we just maintain that all the things with our tiny finger request arrest our right head, and then we are just writing an head which is 400 if that things are just going to happen, and we are just writing something inside. We are sending an content type, okay, content hyphen type content. Yeah, we need to write this into double quote, content hyphen type, and then we need to use comma, a colon, and then JSON, application slash JSON, okay, application slash JSON, and then we need to also res.end with JSON.stringify, and then we just need to use something like this, an error message like this, and we just invalid YouTube URL, dot. And so for now we just need to return nothing. Yeah, we need to return nothing here, and then const. Why my phone ringing and notifications came up again. Const transcription data. Is it my voice is clear? Yeah, it's clear. So yeah, transcript data. Now transcript data equals await YouTube transcript data, fetch transcript offset fetch transcript fetch transcript of that video ID. Okay, of that video ID. Now fetch that. Now fetch that by just using that simple thing. And I got it. This is the very easy point. And I learning code again and thinking about how this and that are just going to happen. And now const transcript text equals to await, or maybe not await, transcript data dot transcript data dot map transcript data dot map t an arrow function t an arrow function t dot text and then dot something join and something like and space. Then const transcript text equals to transcript data dot map and t dot text and then join and this and that. fs dot write file sync use the write file sync and then just do nothing, which is use an tactic and just use transcript underscore dollar and curly braces, and by that we just using video ID. Oh, said I got it. Transcript like this, we need to use like this. .txt fs dot write file sync and then transcript underscore dollar sign and then video ID dot text, then we just need to use transcript text. Okay, what up city happening? I just need to know transcript text. Okay, we are just seeing here transcript text, and yeah, guys, we're just literally getting that all some point now, but we need to run that code all that. After that we need to just check it every single point so that after we can learn things. It's not easy to learn anything. It's easy when you learn, it's easy when you do, it's easy when you invest your time. So yeah, here we have no more but more. I don't know how much we have time. Yeah, we need to do this. We need to do this fast. Right ahead. We need to think about this, how that things are happening, how this and happening, that code are happening. We need to know. Nothing else. Not more things. It's okay. Sometimes something we don't know. Yeah, we need to just practice it. Then we got it. We don't need to learn it. We don't need to click a picture of a single project, and we don't need to rote learning, and we don't need to put on our mind. We need to just learn, and we just need to know how things, how in the object, how we can put data on that by just using key values, and also we use key, and then after you using colon to separate key and value to not mismatch, and more things that we just need to know. Nothing else. It's okay if you don't know. I don't care about. It's okay. A lot more people don't know a lot more things, but they're not cramming like me. Maybe like you. Okay. Res.write had 200 content application slash JSON, and after that we are just ending that response of this root with our response, which is res.n, and also we are just using something like JSON.stringify data. We are just ending this thing with JSON format data, JSON.stringify data. We're just making that all data into string. So let's go put all the things, and yeah, we are just passing that in form of object. So yeah, we need to write here success. How we can write success set outside. Okay, we need to write success colon true, and then comma to separate data, and also we need to send video ID offset. We need to write like this, video ID, and then comma, we need to give something transcript. Also we are just giving transcript, and transcript text dot transcript text dot size from 0 to 500, 0 comma to 500, which is like this, and then we're just adding something triple dot comma. Maybe I need to do like this. I know that it gives us something like 0 comma 500 words, 500 line maybe. After that it's just going to show us a dot. This is really bad. We want to see full transcript of that video. Maybe I can make that logic after that, but for now it's good to go. Maybe I just dump all the transcript data. Yeah, we can do on this backend side. For now we're just catching an error, and after we had nothing else, we're just catching something. Here we are just catching something, catch error, and then catching that error. After that we had more catching error, we had 2 more, but here we don't have. Okay, we had boss, we had catch error, and then this one column, and then we had 3 things, which is this for that, and also we had this one, and so we need to make here else statement, and so here we are just going to check this, that is if statement. If that request is not going to happen, if that person is not requesting that, let's suppose like if a statement is like this, if that person is not requesting on that server, then what happen else? If that person is not requesting on /API/transcript, then what happens? It's happen, we give some errors like this. We send something res.write here something like 200 not 404, maybe 404 comma, yeah, 404 page not found, yeah, 404 page not found, which is content. We are just sending content type, means headers, content type column. We're just sending application slash JSON format data. Yeah, we're just sending slash JSON data. Yeah, content type, we are just making content type. C is in capital letter we need to write. Yeah, we check everywhere to check that thing. Yeah, content type, which is also need to write in capital letter, and also we are just sending response that data, res.data or on, and with res.n, which is an error, maybe something JSON.stringify, which is JSON.stringify, which is a message we are sending to the browser. JSON.message call we are just sending a message which is on a root is not found, pay is not found, pay is not found, root not found, maybe I don't know, root not found. So yeah, here we can just do like this, root not found. That's all the code of crazy one, root not found, and then we have something like this, and after we need to just on our server. So what we need to do is https dot listen, I don't know, server dot listen. Yeah, we need to write here server dot listen, server dot, okay, server set server dot listen at port URT, and that is going good to go. And we can also use this console.logging thing by using an arrow function. Yeah, why we are using server? Because of we have something like here we had server and we had HTTPS, which is bad one. I need to on with the server, we need to make this variable server so that we can make that damn one. So yeah, here server.listen, and also we are using an arrow function to just console.logging our statement, our this statement. That's good one, and so good to go. Let's go. It's good to go to run this code, and we are just going to download an extension which is called Thunder Client extensions. We're just going to download a Thunder Client. Thunder Client is the producer. Oh shit, my eyes is climbing, guys. You know, I don't know when I'm just going to see this all the things, and I don't know what of city things are just going to happen with me. For now we're just running this code. Yeah, run this code. It's not running. Cert. It's not running my code. Saying to me set. Oh god. Where are Jero? Nobody is watching me. So okay. So yeah, guys, I don't want to run our things on that one, so that's why I did that all. So it's okay, guys. It's okay for that. For now, my code is running on this, and just now we need to use Thunder client to send and request and say something. I need to YouTube video URL, and so yeah, someone is watching me, some two users. YT. Now we need to copy a random video. Just I'm cramming here. Actually, I just don't need to make project now. I need to go and learn things that matter. So yeah, I think today is that's enough because I'm in college. I'm a college student. That's why all the damning things are just going to happen with me. I'm just talking to you all for a hour every day, and that's all good enough for me. And maybe nobody is going to watch this video and that video, nothing matter. So yeah, I'm just going to watch this video. Okay, कुल मिला November to December पूरी game कैसे पढ़ रहे हैं. Okay, I'm just going to watch this video. So let's go. I'm just copying any video to just see that is working or not. So let's go. Yeah, I'm just passing a request and just need to give a Thunder client, send something to the server. Yeah, like this. So let's see this, which one is how is possible to send something to the server. So yeah, here the body, here the JSON format. Yeah, we can just post this thing. So let's go, we can do that. For now, we just put this URL at there, and yeah, I need to give something like a body JSON. Yeah, let's go. Just use new request and just give request, which is a get request, not a post request. We wanted to give that a post request to this, not this API. I just wanted to post to this URL. This URL need to give post request to this URL /API/transcript. Yeah, to that URL, and also we need to just give this one a request, a URL which is like this, and also we need to just copy this exact URL to post into this one. So this is the thing. Now we are just need to send this request, and what if things are just going to happen with us is just giving us an error. We are getting a response which is an error. We're just getting an error. Error number record CCCC that. I don't know. I don't know. /transcript. Yeah, localhost 8085,000. I don't know. 8080 is my port. HTTPS server running on this port. HTTPS 8080 and /API/transcript TRAN SCRIPT and tran is correct, and you might see a certificate wording like this. Click proceed, turning this certificate body JSON response. Okay, but it's still not working. Why this is not working? The Tinder client. So I think, guys, I need to stop this live and things because my eyes is paining. It's literally my eye pain. Literally, guys. And also my stream is not, my camera video quality is damn. And like, one like, someone likes this stream, that's one good. But yeah, oh, sad, my dear bros, sad. Oh, sad, my dear brother. Literally, I'm really cramming. So let's go. I think I need to see you tomorrow. Let's go. Thank you, everybody. Maybe someone not watching me else. Okay, not matter. Let's go. I'll see you in the next one tomorrow. But this project, and also I can build this one from scratch with Express.js, Node.js, because that is all the crazy one. So yeah, let's go in the stream. And